Hi, welcome to Yoga Today. My name is LIZA. In this meditation, we'll be manifesting freedom with the forgiveness or the power of forgiveness and healing. In this meditation, we'll be using visualization techniques and affirmations to help release emotions that don't serve us, past pain, past hurt, to plant new seeds of rebirth and happiness where that pain once was. Hi, my name is LIZA, and this is a meditation to manifest freedom with forgiveness and healing. Hurt from others is sadly one of the natural part of our human experiences. It's also hurt from others that our brain, our ego, and our mind loves to replay and hold on to. When we manifest forgiveness and healing, we are manifesting freedom from suffering and pain that was never ours to begin with. When we forgive others, when we let go, we give ourselves permission to be absolutely happy, free, and live in the present moment without hanging on to anything that really doesn't serve us anymore. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. Breathe in and exhale out. Tuning on into your breath deeply, breathing in and letting go. Noticing freedom in the breath when you just breathe naturally, going with the flow, not holding on to breath. You're not forcing breath out. From this space, imagine a white light surrounding you. Know that you are safe, protected, and in a deep space of healing. Give yourself permission to begin the process of letting go and feel safe within this white light. I invite you to place one hand, or maybe even two, on the heart. Begin to allow yourself to return to that moment where you felt hurt, or you were hurt. Observe how the body feels, how your breath is, how your emotions and thoughts are. Take a moment to let yourself experience it again, knowing you are safe, knowing that this is just a memory. It doesn't exist anymore. It just exists within the mind and body. That you are safe in the present moment. And in reality, this moment has passed. Let whatever emotions come up, let them flow. Breathe into these emotions and exhale them out, letting them go. Now go ahead and allow yourself to say whatever it is you need to say to this person or people who hurt you. And if you need to pause the meditation to write a letter you'll never send, or to give yourself as much time as possible, go ahead and do so. When you have finished, return back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. If this person, situation, or people have dealt you any pain, take a moment to imagine how much pain they are in. This pain is not yours. It never was. Repeat after me to yourself, or simply listen to this affirmation. I release all hurt and pain that is not mine, and in that I free myself. I release all hurt and pain that is not mine, and in that I free myself. I am compassionate, I am loving, and I am kind. I am compassionate, I am loving, and I am kind. In this hurt, I find wisdom and knowledge that brings me closer to love. In this hurt, I find wisdom and knowledge that brings me closer to love. I free myself from that which is not mine. I free myself from that which is not mine. Though I have been hurt, I choose to free myself with forgiveness anyway. Though I have been hurt, I choose to free myself with forgiveness anyway. Release, let go, and know that even if you are having a challenging time releasing, be compassionate with yourself because forgiveness takes time. It is a lifelong practice. From here, feel the white light traveling down the crown of your head, down the face, washing away any hurt, any tears, any past pain, washing it down to the heart space, the arms, the jaw and neck, washing down to the belly, feeling the ribs expand as you breathe into that light, and exhale, feeling it wash down to the pelvis, the glute muscles, the thighs, down the legs. Release, release. This is not your pain. Let it go. You are safe. You are loved. You have so much love to give. Give yourself permission to plant more seeds of happiness and bliss where this pain once was, knowing that there is always more room for happiness. That every time you release what doesn't serve you, when you free yourself from others' pain, from pain of the past, you give yourself more room to manifest that happiness in your life. Visualize what happiness you can plant there. Inhale and exhale. Let go. Learn, grow, and remember that you are worthy of love, kindness, and freedom born from compassion and healing. Breathe in, sigh out. And go ahead and maybe you can wrap your arms around yourself in an embracing hug, knowing that you are loved, you are worthy, you are perfect just as you are, and you are exactly where you are meant to be. Set an intention to be kind to yourself for the rest of your day, your night, your afternoon. For when we work on healing, it takes a lot of our energy. So we need extra energy to be compassionate. We may feel sensitive. And remember, my friend, this is a lifelong journey. Even if you don't feel yourself completely free, you can always continue to work on the idea of letting go. And what bliss can I plant here where this pain once was? Inhale. Exhale. Many blessings and love and healing energy to you, my friend. I hope this meditation served you. Blessings and namaste.